Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to cut audio in Audacity. Alright, let's begin. First, open Audacity and load the audio file you want to edit. Once the audio is visible on the timeline, click and drag to highlight the section you want to remove. After selecting the unwanted part, press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard to remove it. You can do the same for any section in the middle of the audio. Just highlight the specific part and delete it. Repeat this process for all the areas you want to cut or clean up. This is useful for removing silence, background noise, or unwanted parts of the recording. You can continue editing until you are satisfied with the final result. So that's basically how you can cut audio in Audacity. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.